Apple just dethroned Samsung to reclaim the global smartphone crown in 2025. How did they do it, and can they hold on? Let's find out. What's good, tech fans? Welcome back to GadInsider. Apple's back on top as the world's leading smartphone brand in Q1 of 2025, overtaking Samsung. With a 3% global market growth, let's dive into how Apple pulled it off. Apple snagged a 19% market share in the first quarter, fueled by a strong iPhone 15 sales. A January sales surge and a temporary subsidy in China made high-end iPhones more affordable, boosting demand in Asia Pacific, Latin America, and the Middle East and Africa. The iPhone 15 Pro models, with their premium titanium design and seamless iOS integration, kept shining globally. It was noted that Apple's double-digit growth in Japan and India offset weaker US and Europe sales, proving their focus on premium vibes paid off. Meanwhile, Samsung slipped 18%, struggling with demand for its mid-range and budget phones. The Galaxy S24 series saw some wins, but sources say it wasn't enough to compete with Apple's premium push. It's also highlighted that Samsung's late S25 launch hurt early first quarter sales, although March picked up. Ex-users are buzzing, with some noting Samsung's 4% drop, their biggest in years, asking, can they bounce back? The smartphone market grew 3% year-on-year, driven by emerging markets, but Counterpoint warns economic uncertainties could slow things down. Apple's iPhone 16e launch helped seal their Q1 win, while Samsung's banking on the S25 Edge, which will launch on May 13th. Will Apple keep the crown, or will Samsung's AI-powered flagship strike back? Stay tuned for more updates to see how this battle plays out. Who's your pick, Apple or Samsung? Comment below and let's debate. Subscribe for more tech battles and hit that like button.